My name's Amie and I'm a patient at Buehler Family Dental, and my husband and 3 children also are. When I switched my kids in here, I had initially also brought them in for a second opinion because I was told they had some cavities at their previous dentist. And when I brought them in here, she said there was 1 or 2 spots we could watch. There was one that needed corrected, but it was not as severe as the other dentist made me to believe, which kind of scared me because they said it was near the root and it really wasn't. And so I just felt so much more secure and had so much faith in her. Listening to her speak about her son's experience and her looking into things, when you have a dentist that is trying to get to the root cause for their own family member, you know that they're putting their full effort into it, and that just made me feel so much safer in her care. My oldest son, he was having issues with constant congestion that they told us could be allergies. We were having issues with nightmares and bedwetting, but only when sick, and just some jaw issues without open mouth breathing, and his ears were constantly having fluid in, so he was having trouble hearing. We had tubes in his ears and they wanted us to do that again, and I didn't feel comfortable with putting him under to do that. So I was looking at alternative options for ways to treat this all naturally. And I discovered the Healthy Start program. So I brought him in obviously to see Dr. Buehler, and he's had his expanders in since May, and he has not had any congestion at all. Like, you could hear the nasaliness in him all the time. And since June, that has gone away. We have not had any bedwetting issues, any nightmares. He's been getting a lot more sound sleep, and he had a little bit of anger, aggression in some situations. I do believe too, lack of sleep or good sleep, and that his behavior overall has been much better. So it's only been a couple months in, and even he notices. He'll be like, "Mommy, I sleep so much better now." And so I'm just amazed and excited to start my other son in the process. I was trying to get to the root cause for so many years, and the doctors really didn't have answers for me. It was just, well, he's a kid, he'll outgrow it, it'll be okay, or they wanted me to use like nasal sprays and put him on medicine. I didn't want to put my kid on a daily medication or weekly if I didn't need to. So I was trying to find any alternative thing that we could try to fix his issues. So when I stumbled upon the Healthy Start and airway, like breathing stuff, and then I saw that we had a dentist in the area that did it, I was sold.